Point. Your appearance?
It's fine. On behalf of Mr. Wilson.
Sir, your name?
Zachary Warmson.
All right, so what do we have here?
This courtroom session starts deceptively calm. But don't be fooled. What you're about to witness is a striking contrast between accountability and chaos, responsibility and denial. On one side, a young defendant facing the real consequences of impaired driving. On the other, a deeply fractured family dispute spiraling into threats, harassment, and raw emotion in front of a judge who has clearly reached his limit. From alcohol impairment and sobering statistics to restraining orders and explosive family dynamics, this case raises serious questions about judgment, boundaries, and second chances. Stay locked in, because once this judge starts speaking candidly, there's no turning back.
I've had a chance to speak with the city attorney and reaching an agreement along by Mr. Wilson leading to impaired, operating while impaired in exchange the original offense will be dismissed, and there's an added count.
Yeah, so he's going to plead on count 2, the distracted driving, failure to stop a shed clear distance will be dismissed, and then the impaired is going to plead to on count 1 with the OWI to be dismissed, correct?
Correct.
So if you do that, sir, the possible penalties on the impaired charge are up to $300 fines. John,
Yeah.
93 days jail, 360 hours community service. Court costs are all those 4 points. License suspension or revocation in accordance with your record. Your vehicle could be or may have to be immobilized depending upon your record. You understand that?
Yes.
If you plead on the distracted driving, I'm going to dismiss the failure to stop a short clear distance. If you plead on the impaired, I'm also going to dismiss the OWI, operating while intoxicated. You understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign, read, and understand an advice and rights form here today?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and you will not be a hearing nor a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions before we go in?
No.
The charge operating while impaired, how do you plead?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Telegraph or Holder from Brownstown Township, February 17 to 25 at 10:23 in the morning?
Yes.
Did you drink alcohol prior to that?
Yes.
What did you drink and how much?
Vodka and 13 drinks the night before.
What time did you take your last drink?
Probably around 3:50 in the morning.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
And you're 19?
21.
I'm sorry. You were 20 at the time.
Yes.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you didn't do so plead guilty?
No.
Why were you pulled over by the police?
Because I was in an accident.
How did the accident occur?
I failed to stop. We were at a summit.
All right. You think you did that at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
Yes.
The counsel, you stipulate that the blood breathalyzer results were 0.155.
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No.
To the charge of distracted driving, you plead responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
You accept your plea to operating while impaired.
Yes.
I'm going to accept your plea to distracted driving. I'm going to dismiss the operating while intoxicated and failure to stop assured by the distance. Now, I'm going to refer you for a screening and assessment. I'm going to talk to you before you leave here, though. You're going to be screened and assessed today. You're going to be sentenced at a later time. We're going to set up a sentencing date. Now, Mr. Williams, I want you to listen to me very carefully. If you stop drinking 7 hours earlier, that means your breathalyzer result, the time you stop drinking, is somewhere in the neighborhood of 2 minutes. I just want you to be aware, when I see somebody who's 20 or 21 with a 2.6, you got to drink. Doesn't make you a bad person. It does mean that you got to deal with this. I'm serious. I mean, when I see guys coming in with that, the odds of you coming back to in this court or another on a drunk driving are extremely high. This is like really high. I get it's just a 155, but if you stop drinking, I'm gonna take it at your word. You stop drinking, it's 3:30, 7 hours earlier. You were about 2:06. So that's bad. I want him counsel. I don't think the rest of the butt press the panic button, but I need him on a Soberlink device. One of my sober, I don't do this on first offenses, but this scares the devil out of me. You're gonna be on a Soberlink device by the end of the day, okay? I'm not sitting here degrading you or anything else. I'm just very, 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 very concerned. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes.
I want to have you seen proof of him attending AA once a week?
Your Honor, I do have a attendance sheet that has been signed
I don't need to see it. Just tell me how many times he's gone.
5 times. First one was on April 1st.
What is he doing right now? Is he going to school, working?
Both.
I do both, yes.
Where?
I go to school at Eastern. I work in Hungry Howard's in Riverview.
You work where?
Hungry Howard's in Riverview.
Are you staying at Eastern Michigan?
No, I can.
What are you studying?
Supply chain management.
I'm not trying to punish you. How much is the cost in the admissions there to Eastern Michigan?
About, I believe, just over maybe 8,000 a year,
Plus books?
plus bucks and gas to get there.
You're gonna spend $50,000 probably, right? By the time you get a four-year degree?
Mhm.
Yes?
Yes.
So I should really don't. You caused me an accident. Lisa, give me a counsel. Listen, I would appreciate, you know. We have a court to school program. Did you go to training?
Yes.
So I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna be more embarrassing. A court to school program coming up to Trenton High School. I'm gonna give him credit for any day of arrest. I'm sorry, I'm gonna give him another day's credit for showing there for either. I'm not saying he's going to jail. He's not going to jail. The court work program is community service. What day is that again? It's May what?
May 1st, Judge.
Can he do that? Are you willing to do that? Be sentenced to Trenton High School? I'm not gonna force you.
And so what happens if I do that? Like does it give, like what,
I'm gonna sentence you, and I'm gonna give you a day's credit toward any jail, court work, or community service. You're not going to jail,
okay.
but I'll give you another day's credit for doing that.
What, that'd be May 1st, and what's that?
At least, Amy, what time does that start again?
9 a.m.
I'm sorry,
9 a.m.
9 a.m. So I need you there by 8:30.
Okay.
Can we, is there any other dates available? I've got 4 matters scheduled for the morning.
Do you?
Yeah.
I mean, I could give you another date. I just need people on the court to school program. That's all.
Yeah.
You don't have anything. Where do you gotta be? What's the
They're all
earliest?
Zoom hearings. One at 8:30, one at 15, one at 10, one at 11. Zoom.
Can you do your 8:30 and then do the court to school? I'll get you out of there first. I get it. Okay, we'll give you another date. Give me another date, Amy. Probably on a Brownstown day.
Judge, we can do nope, that's May 7th at 8:30.
Is that good with you? If it's not, it's okay. with you.
Yeah, I got a 9 o'clock settlement conference in Macomb coming up.
Okay, good to see yourself. It's
It's just been crazy the last few months.
What do you want? Can we do the 14th, Lisa? Amy? Jeez.
Yep, we can do the 14th, or we can cross over on April 30th.
Whatever your choice, Council.
Yeah, 14th at an oral argument, Michigan Court of Appeals. 30th. Vacation, 9 o'clock.
It's okay. Um,
Is May 8th available?
This is a case of possible restitution. I doubt it, but maybe.
Yeah.
And I always set it on a Brownston docket day, so it almost has to be a Wednesday.
May 21st,
Yeah.
wide open.
May 21st at 8:30. So you can go down the hall, the screen assessment, run, go 8 times a week. Yeah, lunch.
Would that be here or is it?
No, we'll do it here.
Okay.
Yeah, I
You
can't.
mentioned a school.
Well, that's the only day. I just do it at the school once a year.
Oh,
That's the one that was made the
All right.
first. So yeah, you're gonna go across the hall, you're gonna fill out a questionnaire, you need to give them a Soberlink. You need to get a Soberlink by the end of the day, and I want you going to AA 3 times a week. Well, I'm not looking to punish you, but you gotta be careful here.
And what is it, Soberlink?
It's a machine you're gonna have to blow into 5 times a day. Okay? All right, good luck to you, I wish you well. And you're all set.
thank you, Joe.
Thanks a lot. Good to see you, Council. That sign, come on over around here. And I just want to make sure we pick you up. What is your name? Defendant pled guilty here, or no contest, I should say, to telephone harassment. And the plea was to be taken under section 771.1. Have you had a chance to review the report with her, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
I have, Your Honor. There are no additions, deletions, or corrections.
Anything you would like to say on her behalf?
Yes, Your Honor, when it comes to fines and costs, I would ask that you take into consideration that Ms. Beard is not employed at this time. She's looking for work. She does have. Oh, she's employed.
Yeah, you're making good
She's
money.
not employed as-
1,200 a week, right? Right?
And she. Yes, Your Honor. Has 2 minor children, Your Honor, and she does have a personal protection order against the victim. Your Honor, this is a family matter. The children have been contacting grandma, and Miss Beard is requesting that the victim not contact the minor children in this matter. And I'm stating that because I don't know if it's in the file that there's been a report that Miss Beard has been trying to contact the victim, and she is not.
I'm gonna listen to everybody. I'm not gonna say anything at this point. And I just need to read you this. Did you see this note from Ms. Fowler?
I did, Judge.
And you covered it with your client?
I did.
What is the relationship between the two of them?
So the victim is the mother of Miss Beard's children's father. She's the.
Wait a minute, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
I'm sorry.
She's the mother.
She's the paternal grandmother of Miss Beard's children.
Is that right?
That's correct. My son and her has been dating for 17 years.
Okay. And she has a PPO?
I have one out on her.
I thought you said she had one.
I have one as well, Your Honor. There is PPO on both ends.
No, it's my first.
Okay, wait a minute, ladies.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Anything you want to tell me?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, she has an assault case in Taylor that's going on right now.
I read that. I read at least you said that you were assaulted on or
Yes,
about.
brutally assaulted.
What was the charge? Is it assault and battery or
So
something?
they're trying to do disorderly conduct. And I'm upset about that. And this phone harassment case, she's been phone harassing me for 7 years.
I'm having a hard, hang on. I want everybody to stop right now. I'm having a hard time with this. I really am. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. I mean, I've said it before here. If we all lived until we're 890, then, you know, you could take a few years and be a screwball. We don't have that long on this planet. I don't know why this would go on between the mother of man. Now, I want to caution you.
I'm just agreeing.
Ma'am, while you're kind of acting so far, your body language is telling me that there are reasons that you think that your conduct was justified. If I misread that, that's fine. Maybe I did. I want to read some of the things I read in the report. She's reporting to the police that you've been harassing and threatening her over the last year. She says she's told the police that she told you to stop contacting her and you haven't. She says that you're using Denzel Lamont's phone number. Is that your son?
Yes.
And Denzel Lamont's son's phone to call her because Sheena Beard knows, because you know that she's blocked your number.
Yes, sure.
She says you told her over multiple phone calls that you have a CPL and will use it. Do you have a CPL?
Not anymore, Your Honor.
Did you then?
Yes, I did.
She also says you threatened, quotes, to kill her, quotes, kick her ass, and wish death upon her. Now, I gotta tell you, at least where I come from, how do I put this delicately? How do I put it delicately? My wife is a wonderful grandmother. I'm not here to talk about my wife. I don't think we have enough support systems to turn down help from somebody else. And now you don't want her to call her grandkids, which I think is just...
Your Honor, can I speak? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, you can go ahead.
I'm sorry. When I was agreeing with you earlier, I was agreeing that it's been going on for too long. It's family issues. She doesn't feel me and my kids are her family. I have screenshots, I have messages as well. This has been going on for too long. They have assaulted me before. Her and her two daughters as well as this. I'm in a toxic, abusive relationship with her son. That's the part she don't mention. They all have attacked me before at one time together. I have messages where she was just telling Denzel to tell me the kids are not hers, the kids are not his, they need to be took by CPS. Ask me, she sent us, it's been going on and it's not just on my end. Your Honor, it's a family issue because of a toxic relationship. That is the truth.
How do you get along with your son?
It hasn't been good since she's entered our life, since I let her in when they was 17 and 18, 16 and 18.
I met Denzel at 14, Your Honor. I
And
have
she
my
lived with me
son
half
at
of the
19.
time.
Ladies, I can't pick you both up.
But
Maybe,
Your Honor, she hasn't started me, this is what's not being on the record, 4 times. This is the 4th incident that I have put up with her assaulting me. This is the 4th incident that they won't let me get out on the record.
I'm not gonna comment other than to say this is going to stop. I promise you it's going to stop. If it doesn't stop, you're gonna force me to do something I don't wanna do, but I will do anytime if I find out you have any contact with her. You will have your 771 status revoked and you will go to jail for 90 days. So if it's worth it to you,
No, Your Honor.
if it's worth it to you, just call her one time and test me.
No, Your Honor. I just have a question. If I could just say one thing. The last time I was here, Your Honor, she told the prosecutor that I was contacting her. That was not true. Then the prosecutor came to me the next time and said she reneged.
She says on August 17th to 24, a block number called 29 times from 8:37 until 9:42 in the evening.
That's correct.
That's a black number. That's not my number, and that's August of 2025.
Ladies, I can't pick up two people talking at the same time. I just can't do it. She's got to take down everything that's being recorded here. I don't know what to tell you two. I can't solve this. I cannot solve this. If you guys want to go on being like this, where there's animosity between living girlfriends or spouses or whatever the case may be, and grandparents and children not seeing their grandmother, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. I cannot solve every single problem sitting here. I think it's sad. I think it's extremely sad. I think you got an anger issue, and I know you're going to stop calling her like this. I know that if some grandmother has to block a phone number of somebody who is the mother of her grandchildren.
She said they're not hers. She said that she need to get took and was talking about my
That's
kids. She
incorrect.
don't believe they're
That's
hers.
incorrect.
I apologize.
You're not helping yourself. You want to help yourself? Listen to me talk. You don't want to help yourself? Keep interrupting me and keep interrupting her. I don't know what to tell you. But I'm dead serious. I'm serious as a heart attack when I say if you contact her again, you're going to have a massive problem with me. 12 months probation unless somebody has something else to say, I'm ready to sentence. You have something else to say?
That's it, Your Honor.
You have something else to say?
No.
You have anything else to say?
No, Judge, thank you.
12 months probation, you cannot, I'll take it under 771.1. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. No contact with Sharif Fowler. You cannot write, phone, see, text, email, or communicate with her in any way or have anybody else do any of those things for you on your behalf. I'm not threatening. I'm promising you contact her. You're going to jail. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not to possess firearms. You're not to possess dangerous weapons. You're to attend an anger management program with 8-week follow-up.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are to serve 3 days on the court work program. There's a $35 a day charge for that. That's $105. Again, no firearms, no dangerous weapons. The threats thing I don't get. I just don't understand the threats. All the violence goes on out here. It's just insane to me. 100 fines, 200 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, $60 screening fee. For 485, probation fees are $240 for 725, charging attorney fees of $40 for 765 plus court work program fees. $870 is your total. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. You do everything I said. I'll be happy to dismiss this case. It will be on motion of the prosecutor in a year. So I'm going to need a review hearing date. And also, by the way, why do you think you don't have to take care of warrants?
I am, Your Honor.
You are. You are going to do, listen to me. You're to clear all warrants within 21 days. Do we understand one another?
Yes, I thought it was 60 days.
They recommended 60. I think would be nice. You stop doing this.
Okay, I agree.
All right. Now, give me a review hearing date, Lisa.
May 13th of 26 at 9 o'clock.
God willing, May the 13th of 26 at 9 o'clock. We'll all be back there. I'm telling you. Will you please think about what I'm saying?
I hear you.
Don't you think it's important for grandparents to be with their grandchildren? I sure do.
I do, but she don't want to be a part of my kids.
Can I ask you a question?
It's nothing.
I'm not condoning her conduct here at all. I think I've made that abundantly clear. Do you believe I've made that clear?
Yes.
If you don't think they're her grandkids, your grandkids?
Your Honor, I have concerns about those children being my son's grandkids.
All right, well, but you don't have any proof, so that's, wait. That's hurtful things to say if you're not correct. Do you understand?
My son.
That is hurtful.
My son has said it.
Well, then maybe
Because
he's,
Ms. Beard was gonna take him for child support, because he works at Force, and he said he's gonna receive a paternity check.
Okay, well, maybe you should go get one. I don't know what to
That's
tell
what
you.
I
This is where the courtroom tension explodes. What began as a telephone harassment case unravels into years of unresolved family conflict, mutual restraining orders, and deeply personal accusations. The judge is visibly frustrated, and for good reason. Courts aren't therapy sessions. They deal in evidence, boundaries, and compliance. When threats involving firearms, blocked numbers, and alleged intimidation surface, the legal consequences escalate fast. The judge makes it crystal clear. Intent doesn't matter. Contact alone is enough to land someone in jail. This is a powerful reminder that emotions don't override court orders. And here's the question for viewers. When family conflict turns this toxic, where should the legal system draw the line between protection and punishment?
Review hearing, May 13th, 26, 9 a.m. Ma'am, can you pay all of this today?
No,
How much can you pay today?
I can do $100.
And then how much can you pay weekly? You got a good job. Can you
I
pay
can
75 a week?
Yes,
75 a week, you get paid every week, right?
yes.
I'm gonna start this beginning June the 6th. If you ever don't have the money, no problem, don't be afraid. I'm easy to get along with if you don't ignore me. So you call the court or you come in here on or before the due date, I'll be more than happy to give you an extension. Just don't ignore me. I'm not so nice, okay? Good luck to you both. I wish you well.
Thank you, Judge.
By the end of this hearing, the judge delivers something rare but necessary. Firm boundaries paired with one final opportunity. On the DUI side, accountability comes through monitoring, treatment, and education, not immediate incarceration. On the harassment case, the court sends a zero-tolerance message. No contact means no contact, period. Probation, fines, anger management, and strict warnings replace chaos with structure. The broader takeaway here is simple: courts can offer second chances, but they demand compliance in return. If you found this case as intense and eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns you won't see anywhere else.